Happy New Year, everyone. Welcome to 2025, and welcome to the introduction of Public Relations, or PREL 2166. And this is a course that I think you're going to enjoy this course. I know a lot of students will say, I didn't know what to expect, or it wasn't the same as I expected, but hopefully you're going to like it. So I believe I've taught the majority of you. There may be a few in here that I don't recognize. And if I haven't taught you, welcome. I am DiaBest, and I'll be your instructor for this course. And I'd like to just say quickly, because you can read about DiaBest in the welcome section, but I want to say that I'm approachable, I'm flexible, and I really look forward to working with you in this course. So don't hesitate to reach out to me for anything, any questions. There are no questions that aren't questionable. So reach out and ask. And we'll get you through this. We can meet you through Teams. You can text me. You can email me. Whatever suits your fancy. Just let me know, and we can do a meeting on Teams or whatever. So we're going to jump right in because it's a different type of year where we start right at the very first of the week. We jump totally right into the course. So be sure and go through all of the modules that are listed there. When you get to the welcome section, make sure you read the course outline, which gives you the course outcomes. Make sure you read the work plan. Please note that, and I know most of you know this, that if I haven't heard from you and there's no submission of an assignment, there's minus 10% for 3 days, then a 0, and it's going to be hard to pass with zeros. So please, if you've got something going on, let me know. And then we can probably arrange something. But without me knowing, and I don't need to know all the details, I just need to know that for some reason you can't get your assignment done by Sunday. I wouldn't make a habit of it because, as you know, the course goes very quickly and it's going to be a busy one. So we'll jump right in and do the welcome, do the course outcomes, and remember that 60% for all the outcomes, you have to pass them in order to pass the course. So Unit 1, what are we doing? We're talking about the history, which is very interesting, of public relations, the impact and the big picture. So read about that. We have an OER. Again, we don't have to buy a textbook. It's all embedded in your course, in with the discussions and the readings, and then you have your assignments. So I know you're quite used to how my courses are constructed these days. So the first assignment, actually there's a very first assignment, and it's a writing assignment. And that's just literally to find out where you and I can find out where your writing skills are at. It's a lot of grammar pieces in there, and it's because you're going to write. As the course goes on, you're going to write pieces that would be for public relations. So it's not graded. It doesn't count. Doesn't matter if you pass or fail. It just gives me an idea. But for the most part, everybody does quite well on it. There's maybe a section or so that's harder, which you get into some deep grammar that's hard to decide. So that is due January the 12th. So get that into me, and then I'll get it marked and get it right back to you. And then you have 2 discussions that include the reading of the textbook. So that's your first week. Not too intense, I don't think, to get started. So welcome. Again, if I haven't taught you, reach out to me, say hello. Do the get to know you. It's not get to know you, it's welcome back now, because most of you I have taught. So, but that's a time for us to interact with each other. So do that. And I hope you enjoy the course. And I want you to reach out to me with any questions. And if not, have a great week.